Eat these 6 foods to naturally cleanse your liver. We are all consuming lots of processed foods on a daily basis. Then there is the environmental pollution. We intake so many preservatives and additives on a daily basis. All this makes it crucial that our body be given a boost from time to time so that it keeps working properly and remains healthy. Our liver plays one of the most important roles in eliminating toxins from our body. Without the liver, your body would not be able to absorb nutrients from foods. In order to flush toxins out of your body and detox your liver, you should ensure that you include in your regular diet these 6 good foods for your liver. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with so many powerful benefits for your liver. It has selenium in it, a mineral that helps boost antioxidant action, which is great for detoxification of the liver. The vitamin B6 in garlic works as an anti-inflammatory in your liver. The arginine in garlic, which is an amino acid, helps in giving relaxation to the blood vessels. This helps in easing blood pressure within your liver. Grapefruit. How grapefruit works to help your liver is that it contains high amounts of vitamin C and glutathione. The liver also produces glutathione naturally. There are so many processes in our body that require glutathione. This includes producing proteins and chemicals essential for the body, tissue building and repair, and making a stronger immune system. Leafy green veggies. Leafy green vegetables can help in protecting your liver as they neutralize chemicals, metals, and pesticides from the environment and your foods. You should take more spinach, chicory, and arugula because they can help in increasing bile flow and eliminating waste products. You should also take beets because they help in cleansing and purifying your blood. This helps in boosting liver function and increases the production of nutrients in your body. You should also take cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli. They are beneficial for the liver in the production of enzymes that aid in removing toxins. Avocados. Avocado is well known as a superfood. When you realize that it is also a superfood for your liver, you will have more reasons to eat it. Avocado has glutathione, vitamin C, and vitamin E. These nutrients work as antioxidants that help in neutralizing harmful free radicals and in protecting liver cells against damage. Both vitamin E and K present in this fruit further help in protecting your liver against harmful inflammation because they are anti-inflammatory. They have healthy fats that further help in improving your cholesterol levels. Walnuts. You should be taking more walnuts because they are rich in amino acid arginine. It plays an important role in helping your liver in the detoxification of ammonia. Besides, walnuts also contain high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione. They support liver detoxification. They are loaded with antioxidants, thus helping in the neutralization of harmful free radicals. They also have healthy, unsaturated fats which help in 2 main ways: protection from the accumulation of fat in your liver, development of strong cell membranes around the liver cells. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin as its primary active ingredient. It is known as a very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This ingredient also helps in protecting your bile duct. This helps in boosting bile flow, thus working as a liver cleanser. It also helps in rejuvenating your liver cells through the prevention of alcohol and toxins converting into compounds that could cause damage to your liver. When you sprinkle some turmeric over your food, it helps in adding a little flavor while giving its amazing health benefits. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.